going to make a three-armed St. Brigid's cross, and I suppose it's like the four-armed Brigid's cross. Instead of using rushes this time, I'm going to use some straw. This is straw that's been soaking. It's wheaten straw. It's an old heritage variety, and this is the headless part of it. Okay, so starting off with St. Brigid's cross, it's the same process. You still need to squeeze your straw to fold it over, and you make your T shape. Then you do the next one. Squeeze, it goes in and underneath. Hold it on to the last one you put on, and you turn. Now this is the trick for the three-armed cross. You need to fold this one just slightly to the side. Okay. Then when you put on your next piece, you're doing the same as going across like this. But you fold this one down to meet it, and then you turn. So now instead of four arms, you actually have three arms. So the next one that goes on, you're bringing this one down to meet it and turn. And add on a few pieces here. You'll start to see a kind of triangular pattern in the center. So just a bit about the tradition on the 31st. It was usually the youngest unmarried daughter of the household would go out, and if they were getting rushes, they'd have to pull them out of the ground. Or they might collect straw, and there's got a lot of Brigid's crosses in the collection made from straw. There's a lot made out of rushes as well. But they would go out, collect the material, then they'd knock on the door 3 times, and the people on the other side would let them in. They'd say a prayer, and the material, the rushes or the straw, was blessed. And basically, once it was blessed, everyone would gather around, make a cross. So there's loads of different types of crosses, because different parts of the country had different ways of making crosses, but they also might have used different materials. So here we have one that is 3 arms, like that. So I'm just going to put on a few more and tie it off. So same trick again, you want to kind of measure out the length of the arms. That's a good thing about the straw crosses, and as a material, doesn't dry out like the rush Brigid's cross, because you'd probably have to retie the Brigid's cross made out of rushes. But the straw one, once it dries out, it lasts for hundreds of years. So I'm just going to trim off the ends. There we have 3-armed St. Brigid's cross.